Welcome back to my channel. This is Gagan, and today I'm going to discuss Salesforce CPQ bundle products. This is tutorial number 5. Before this tutorial, I have discussed some other type of the Salesforce CPQ products and Salesforce end-to-end flow. If you have not watched that video, you can go to the playlist and watch that. So what are the bundle products? So bundle products are nothing but the collection of the products which are sold together. So you can see in the screenshot, there's a laptop bundle, and inside the laptop bundle, they are like products called laptop, extended warranty, wireless mouse, and carrying case. So this is like a bundle product. Like in a single parent product, there could be some child product which you can basically add inside your bundle product. So we are going to discuss that. So like in the hands-on, what we are going to do, I will going to create one bundle product laptop, and inside the laptop I will going to add mouse and keyboard. So if you're going to buy a laptop, and then you will get two option, mouse and keyboard. So for the in the first example, the price will be added along with the parent product laptop plus mouse price plus keyboard price. In the second example, if you will add the bundle product, and if you're adding mouse and keyboard as an optional product inside your laptop, then you don't have to pay anything. So I'm going to do this hands-on. So first of all, in order to create the bundle product, what you have to do, you have to create child product. Okay, so what are the child product in our example? So mouse and keyboard is a child product. So first of all, I'm going to add mouse as a product, active family hardware, save. So as we know that like there should be a active price book for each and every product, else you will not be able to see that in the quote line item. So I'm going to add one price book, add. I will just give the price as £10 as mentioned there, £10. So, and now I have to create another child product which is a keyboard. So I will just click new and put the message as keyboard as a name, and I will choose product family as a hardware, and then I will mark this as activate. And also I have to add the price book, standard price book. So I will just put that as a 5. So now I have to create the bundle product. So in order to create the bundle products, what you have to do, you have to just generally simply create a simple product in the way we create a subscription non-subscription product. So I will just give the name as a laptop, activate. I will choose the product family as hardware, and in order to make this visible in the code line item, I have to add one price book. So I will just give the price as £1,000 for this laptop. And now this is a parent product, and I have to add the child product. So in order to add the child products, you have to add those products in the optional. So you have to go to the related of your parent product, and you have to choose new, and inside the optional you can choose the product that you want to add. So I want to add keyboard, right? I will give the sequence 10, save. So keyboard is added. Now I will add another one. I will now add mouse. I'll give sequence as 20, save. So now this is the bundle product or parent product laptop, and inside this we have added the child product. Okay, now at the moment, if you go to the opportunity, click I'll just open any existing opportunity, and I will just go to this quote, and I will click quote line item, and I will search my parent product called laptop, right? So laptop is here. I'm going to add this. So if you add the bundle product, you will be able to see this icon called reconfiguration line. Okay, this is the kind of, the way you can identify it, whether the product is a bundle product or not. If you will click this, you will get the optional options. So these are the two options. These are the child product. If I will add both of them and click save, so you can see the price is like 1000 of the bundle product, and it's also adding the price of the child product, right? Which we wanted to do as per the PPT. We wanted to add basically price of mouse and keyboard as well. Okay, but this is wrong, right? If you're adding a laptop, this is a bundle product, then the price should only be the coming from the bundle product. This price should not be added 5 or 10. 5 and 10 should be 0. The keyboard price should and mouse price should be 0 because it's free or it's a part of your parent product, right? So now I wanted to do the configuration like this. The mouse and keyboard price should be 0. So in order to do that, what you have to do, you have to go to the child product and you have to go to the parent product, okay, and then you have to go to your options, edit the options number 1, okay, and inside there is a checkbox called bundle. Once you will check this checkbox, in that case the price of the child product will not added in the calculation, okay, and I'm choosing bundle. It will not add in the calculation now. So now if I go back, refresh this, and click add product, and if I choose again laptop from this list, click select, and then we have to click this icon, reconfigure line, and I have to choose both of this child product, which is keyboard and mouse, and then we have to click save. And then here you can see the price is coming as 0 and 0. So in order to make the child product price 0 in your calculation, what you have to do, you have to go to the laptop, your parent product, and inside the options, you have to check each and every option as a bundle. That's it. So that's it for this video. There's some other things as well you can configure in the bundle product, but I will going to discuss that in the pricing sessions. Yeah, thank you.